Welcome, lovely people, to another video. I'm a plain Jane with a country name. My name is Bess. So today, lovely people, we are going to be doing an unpackaging of clothing from Rosewe. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Rosewe. I saw them, or they just continue to pop up on my Facebook channel. So I said, you know what? Let me give them a try and see if the quality of the clothing are as good as they look on the models. So I'm going to unbox these or unpackage these, and then I'm going to do a try on haul. So please stay tuned. So let's start unpackaging these items. So here they go. And y'all, by the way, I'm in my bathroom today because Buddy, my dog, just will not let me be green. Like, he thinks every time I get on this camera that he's supposed to be on the camera too. No, baby boo. This is my production. Can he just let me be great? Can he? Oh Lord. Okay, so let's start it. All right, so this is the first item. I will also list the price of each item because right now I just cannot remember. So this is the first item. Ooh, it's gorgeous. So far, so good. So, hold on. So this right here is the jean skirt or jean dress. I'm not sure if you guys can see the whole dress because, like I said, I'm in my bathroom right now. So this is the dress. The back of the dress, and this right here is a size, okay, this is a small. That's the dress right there. So that right there is a small. And put that on the side. And then this next one came in this nice little zip bag. And if you guys ask me, I don't know what I ordered, so I'm just gonna go through this stuff right here. Okay, this is cute. This right here is a medium. Not sure if you guys can see that. Little plaid or zigzag dress, whatever you want to call it. This is a medium. I don't know why I got a medium, because I think maybe they were going to run small. So that right there is the other item. Here's another one. You guys hanging in there with me? I got to make sure this camera didn't cut off, because sometimes this camera be cutting off. All right, so here's the next one. Oh, they give you all this little nice tissue paper that comes in with it. Okay, so, all right, and this right here is a small. What? That's a small? This right here is a small. Looks kind of big to me though for a small. Maybe some of their clothing, maybe they just run a little bit. But we'll try it on and see. So here is, so that was 1, 2, 3 items. Here's item 4. And like I said, I cannot remember what I ordered, guys. Okay. So this right here is a nice little blouse. And this is a small. And again, these items are from Rosewe website. I keep seeing them on Facebook, so I figured, you know what? Let me go and order some stuff. Y'all, I should be ashamed of myself. I'm putting all this stuff in the sink because I got nowhere else to put it without having to open that door, and then my little buddy's gonna start running up in here. So, sink is clean though. So this is like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this is number 5. So this is the 5th item. And like I said, I can't remember what I ordered. Oh my God. This right here is like a blanket. This is thick. And this is a medium. Probably should have got that in a small. That looks kind of big too. All right, so again, these are the items that I ordered from Rosewe. So stay tuned and I'll be back to show you guys the items with them on. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere, don't go nowhere, don't go nowhere, don't go nowhere, don't go nowhere. All right, guys. Lovely people. All right, so here's the first dress from Rosewe. This is sort of like a sweater dress. Definitely for the winter because this bad boy is thick. The quality is good. This right here is a medium, and I would probably get this in a small. Well, I think I was ordering it in a small, but they just didn't have a small, so they only have the medium, so I figured I might as well get the medium. So here's the bag. It has this nice zipper that goes all the way up, and then as you can see, it's a nice shape dress. It has a nice little shape to it, and then it has the length that comes down a little bit under the kneecaps. So I really do like this dress. I'm gonna have to cut that string off. So yeah, so this is the dress. It's a sweater dress again from Rosewe, and this is the first item that I purchased. I can't remember the size. I'm sorry, I can't remember the price, but I'm gonna go on Rosewe's website and see if I can put a picture of the model that modeled this dress on their website to see if it sort of fits the way it fit on her. I think it fits pretty well, but again, like I said, I would have gotten a small because it does feel a little loose to me, but it may not look loose, which is good. I just gotta cut that little string. So here again is the dress from Rosewe, the sweater dress. Here's the back. It's the back of the dress, and I just have it with my, black heels. Almost fell. All right, so I hope you guys like this one. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. All right, so I'm back. This is the second dress from Rosewe. I like the sleeves. They're not all the way long sleeves. And this material it's a thin material. So you can definitely wear this in the summer. It does seem like a summer dress. The material seems really nice, and this is the back of the dress. Ooh, I hope my hair fits in the back, y'all. So yeah, this is the second dress. It fits really well, and this right here is a medium. But I like this dress, it's really nice. And again, this is from Rosewe. This is the second item. So, yeah, I like it. Stay tuned. Hopefully, I can put a picture of the model from the Rosewe website to compare her dress with what I have on. So let's go to the next dress. Stay tuned. Thank you, guys. All right, guys. So right here is dress number 3. This one right here, again, is from Rosewe. This is a jean dress. I wanted a small, but they didn't have a small. So this is the jean dress. It comes with these nice little buttons. It's easy to walk in. Usually it's hard to walk in because, it's so tight at the bottom, but this one fits really comfortably. But I think I'm going to return this one and get a smaller size, because right now this dress is really, it feels, even though it may not look that big, but it's kind of big on me. I want something that hugs it a little bit more. This one I'm definitely going to return, like I said, because it is a little bit too big for me. But I am going to definitely probably check back to see if they have a small, but I know when I was ordering they did not have a small. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'll be back with another item. So once again, here is this nice blouse. It is sort of like a wine color. Ooh, what is this wig falling off? This wig, you know what? It's so sweaty under here. This right here is probably a hot mess because I was trying to pull this blouse over my head and then Buddy come knocking on the door. So here is this nice blouse. I like the little strings. I probably should have tied them, but I didn't have nobody to tie them for me. So if you get this, you're gonna need somebody to zip it up for you, and you won't have to tie these strings before you put it on if you ain't got nobody else in the house to help you. But trying to get the zipper, the zipper is up, and right around here it's really tight. It's like I can't breathe tight. And then I got on my my one-piece shaper, that I got from Macy's. That was $79.99, so I got that on. What, buddy? What do you think? What do you think about this blouse, buddy? What do you think about it? 1 to 10. What do you think? Buddy ain't answering, y'all. Buddy just said, like, can you hurry up and so we can go outside? So here's this blouse again. All right, y'all. So this is the next item, and hopefully I can find a picture on Rosewe's website so I can compare this to theirs. But the quality, again, even the quality of this blouse right here it's great quality for the price. I mean, I know that the prices weren't that high, because if they were, I would never got them. All right, last item. Stay tuned. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is the last one. Did y'all hear me over there fighting trying to get this thing on? I couldn't figure it out for anything. And I guess that's how it goes. All right, this right here was a little bit difficult trying to get this baby boy on here. This thing had me sweating. All right, so this is the last item, the last Rosewe haul, clothing haul. Unpackaging, I already did that. This is the clothing haul from the Rosewe. So this is the last blouse. I'm not sure how I feel about this. She was acting up like she didn't want to get on this body. It has this little design thing, like showing the shoulder. Yeah, so this is the, and it's just the blouse is what I'm showing. I'm not showing the jeans. The jeans are mine, they're pretty old. Woo, Lord, I hope my feet ain't ashy. All right, so this is the last item of the Rosewe haul. I hope I'm saying that right, Rosewe. Okay, well, whatever. I like the little design. I don't know, maybe if this design or this was on both sides, maybe I would like it a little better. What do you guys think? Do you like this? Tell me if you like any of the items that I've tried on. What would you give them? So that's it for my Rosewe clothing haul. So I think I would be ordering from them again. All right, thank you guys for watching again. I love you all. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you didn't, I still love you. Everybody stay blessed. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Especially when Buddy is like all in my face, like, oh my God. Look at Buddy, y'all. He just getting fat. Buddy, you getting fat, boy. Oh my God. Oh. Papa, you got to get down. You too heavy. You thick in the hips, little boy. Shoot, you got me all dirty. You don't know, I might be returning this. Just joking.